Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update React navigation for deep link routing step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the latest version of React navigation installed in your project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command to check the current version of React navigation installed. Next, check the official React navigation documentation for the latest version available. If an update is needed, use the command to install the latest version. After the installation, verify that the libraries required for deep linking are also current. In your project, locate the navigation configuration file. Open the configuration file to set up deep linking. Define the linking configuration by creating an object. Specify the prefixes for your deep links within this object. Next, outline the routes for your deep linking setup. Make sure each route corresponds to a screen in your app. In your main app component, pass the linking configuration. Import the necessary dependencies from React navigation at the top of your file. Ensure your screens are properly registered with the navigation container. Now, test the deep links in your application. To do this, open a terminal or command prompt. Use the command to simulate opening a deep link. Observe whether the app navigates to the appropriate screen. If the deep linking does not work as expected, check for any typos or misconfigurations. Refer back to the React navigation documentation for troubleshooting steps if needed. With successful configuration, you are now ready to utilize deep linking in your React navigation setup. Finally, conduct thorough testing across various devices to ensure consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.